It seemed to be a great canvas, and it checked all the boxes as far as economic development, art impact to the community. We approached the city of Fort Myers for the opportunity to paint it, and 2 years later we started painting it. So it was done in 2 separate phases, one in 21 and the final part of it in 22. In total, there's 5 artists whose name are on this project. The reasoning of calling the project Buck's Backyard is because the local people that couldn't see the performers perform, they could sit outside, and they played along. That these guys were sitting out here jamming to Duke Ellington, who happened to be upstairs playing. McCollum Hall was listed in the Green Book as an exceptional stop for Black travelers, like where to find gas, who the local doctors were, who the local retailers were all listed in the Green Book. Ella Mae Piper, who, as you can see right here, she had a beauty parlor, she was a doctor, she was an entrepreneur, an innovator, and she actually was the original owner of the Big Four Bottling Company. Well, the murals at McCollum Hall have recently been approved for maintenance and beautification purposes, so we're moving forward with an annual maintenance contract to pretty much make sure these stay vibrant and beautiful for a very long time.